7 tips to keep your brain youthful and healthy. You don't have to do anything special to keep your brain useful and healthy. Just follow the simple tips here to strengthen your brain, protect your health, and improve your quality of life little by little. The brain is a very complex organ. Together with the nervous system, it performs a wide variety of functions to maintain the work of our mind and body. The brain is like a management center for the entire body. It not only controls memory and thinking, but also improves the function of other important systems. However, like the rest of the body, the brain cannot escape aging. The result is significant changes that have a negative impact on quality of life. As brain cells decline with age, our ability to perform various activities that are important to our health, such as hormone production and memory maintenance, declines. But don't give up. By following good habits throughout your life, you can keep your brain in good condition even in old. By improving your lifestyle, getting the nutrients you need, exercising your head, and strengthening your brain, you'll be able to maintain a youthful mood as you grow older. Here are 7 tips for protecting your brain health. Why don't you try it after this video? Number 1. Exercise. Exercising daily or regularly can bring many benefits to your nervous system and brain health. It improves blood circulation, increases the oxygen supply to the brain, and prevents cell damage. It also stimulates the secretion of chemicals that are useful for physical and mental health, improving existing brain networks and promoting new ones. This prevents the hippocampus from declining and encourages its growth while strengthening its creative thinking abilities. Number 2, have a healthy diet. The best way to provide the nutrients your brain needs to work properly is to eat healthy foods. By not eating too much unhealthy fat, cholesterol, and sugar, and eating properly, you can avoid diseases such as hypercholesterolemia and hypertension and prevent premature deterioration of cognitive function. Also, certain substances in foods help control the body's inflammatory response. This reduces the risk of developing dementia and Alzheimer's disease. In general, be sure to eat foods that include good quality protein, omega-3 essential fatty acids, dietary fiber, vitamin, mineral, antioxidants, and water. Number 3. Training to strengthen the brain. Physical exercise can help you maintain a youthful brain, but it's also important to have a focus on your brain. Consciously working the brain through activities that use thinking and cognitive abilities is the key to avoiding premature aging of brain cells. For example, we recommend the following activities: learn a new language, read a book, solve some math questions, play an instrument, remember the song, or write a sentence. Number 4. Actively interact with people. Solitude is one of the risk factors for premature death. When you are depressed, you are more likely to do things that threaten your physical and mental health. Isolated people say they have a lifespan of up to 10 years shorter than those who are sociable. Maintaining healthy social relationships can reduce stress and improve memory. It also helps reduce the risk of developing neurodegenerative diseases. Number 5. Avoid bad habits. Bad habits such as drinking and smoking reduce our quality of life and interfere with the normal functioning of the brain. Hazardous substances contained in alcohol, tobacco, etc. are easily carried through the bloodstream and adversely affect the health of cells. Both drinking and smoking increase the risk of cardiovascular disease and accelerate the body's aging process. Number 6. Get enough sleep. In addition to this, getting enough sleep, at least 8 hours a day, can bring interesting benefits to your brain health. During sleep, the function of cleaning our brain works to reduce stress and reduce the burden on the brain in preparation for the next day. Sleep is also essential for integrating memory and producing the chemicals needed for other physiological processes. Number 7. Meditate. Meditation techniques are a good partner for brain health. It helps us empty our heads and greatly helps us to correct the mental imbalance that leads to anxiety and stress. Meditation is not difficult. To protect your brain health, start by taking a deep breath, staying in a quiet place, and focusing on something. You don't have to do anything special. Keep your brain useful and healthy. By following the advice shown here, you will not only protect your brain health, but also improve your overall quality of life. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.